Acemate, the world's first AI tennis robot, hits Kickstarter. Tennis just got a high-tech training partner, introducing Acemates, the world's first human-like tennis rally robot, launching on Kickstarter this May. Powered by real-time AI tracking, 4K vision and omnidirectional Mecanum wheels, Acemate doesn't just fire balls at you, it moves and rallies like a real opponent. Whether you're training seriously or just looking for a hit for fun, Acemate delivers realistic rallies anytime, anywhere. Unlike traditional machines that shoot balls at fixed angles, Acemate reads your shots, adjusts in real time and keeps you on your toes with intelligent returns. It's like playing someone who never gets tired or cancels last minute. Custom drills, performance tracking and app control mean every session is tailored to your goals. And with a $50 deposit, early backers can unlock up to $980 in savings, free shipping and a 2-year warranty. Visit acematetennis.com to learn more. Acemate launches on Kickstarter May 13th at 10 AM EDT. Time to rally smarter. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious about how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.